I already got this Beeland Universal Mobile Phone Stand. It's a flexible phone stand. This thing's pretty cool. I really like it. I've been messing with it a little bit. Comes in a really nice package here with a set of instructions, but it's pretty simple. You don't really need the instructions. You could figure it out. So here's the holder itself. Has a little clamp on here that spring loads out, so you can load your phone in there. It also adjusts, so you can do horizontal or vertical if you want. Here's the back of it, and if you look inside of here, there's two little magnets in there, and the two little magnets are going to attach to these guys on the front here. So it doesn't sit on there completely solid, but it's in there solid enough, and it'll break away if you need it to, which is pretty cool. It's obviously a really stiff metal here, and I like it. It holds itself into place really well and has a nice smooth plastic binding on here. The ends are metal, of course, to use the magnet things. In the pictures, I see it used like this. So it's pretty simple. You just take this thing on here, and you put it on there, and there you go. Set your phone on there. You'll have to mess with it and see what works best with you. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to make a little circle here like this and use it this way. I think that gives me a little more flexibility. Plus I can get out like this. That ain't going anywhere. So I've got a Samsung Galaxy 3 right here. Pretty good sized phone on here. It fits in there just fine. I also have a smaller Samsung Galaxy Note on here, and that fits in here just fine too. So here's why I got it. I can hang this thing around my neck. Got the screen of my phone on this side. Put this thing in there. You can see the camera sticking out here. I could film something while I'm looking at it on my phone and also get my hands involved in front of it. And that's why I think it's really super cool. You could probably use this for riding a bike or something if you wanted to, or check it out. This thing's very sturdy, stiff wire. The clamp holds great on here. It's smooth around my neck. It doesn't even hurt. So Beeland Flexible Mobile Phone Stand.